Hi guys, it's me again, Ezekiel, your Messengerbot guide. Today, I will show you how to create a simple chatbot for your Instagram business account that sells products and gather information from your customer in just a very easy to follow steps. These and other automation features can be yours for as low as $9.99 a month. If you like what you hear and you want to know more about this, please stay and watch the whole video. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. Without further ado, let's go to our Messengerbot. Now here is our Messengerbot app. For us to go to our chatbot builder, you need to look for Bot Manager. Now, the first option here is our Bot Flow Builder, which is our chatbot builder. As you can see here, you have the option to create a new flow, which is our chatbot, import bot settings, and also import template. Now, as you can see, there's no informations here. But once you create a chatbot, it will be visible here. Then you will be able to edit and also delete it. Also, you have ready to use templates here. Now, if you want to create a chatbot for your Instagram business account, make sure to click the Change to Instagram here. Once you click that, all of the chatbots that you will be creating here will be for your Instagram business account. Now, if you want to go back, creating a chatbot for your Facebook page, just click Change to Facebook here. Now, let's click the Create New Flow. Alright, now here is our first component, our Start Bot Flow. Now this is our bot that we need to trigger for our bot to work. Now we have two options, trigger keywords and action button. Now all of these components can be used here. Now for you to start one, you need trigger keywords or action button. I will just click and drag them here. Now, in trigger keywords, you need to enter a word here that the customer needs to type. Once they type the word that you've entered here, the bot will start. You have the option of exact keyword match and string match. Now, exact keyword match, the customer needs to specifically type the word here that you have entered. Now, in string match, if the customer sends you a sentence, that sentence must contain the word that you have input here for the bot to work. Now, here in action button, the customer will receive a button that they can click to. Once they click it, the bot will start. Now, since we know the difference about the trigger keywords and action button, I will just delete the action button because for the tutorial purposes, I will just use the trigger keywords. Now let's set up our trigger keywords. For you to input details here, just double click it. Now let's enter the word we want our bot to be triggered. Let's say it's hello. Then let's select the exact keyword match. Then click done. Now we have successfully created our trigger keywords. Also, this is important. Don't forget to attach all the components you enter inside our chatbot builder. There. Now also, all of the components you input inside our chatbot builder must be customized, even if the customer will not see it on their end. Like for example, this one, the Start Bot Flow. The customer will not see it, but you need to customize it. So let's say this Start Bot Flow. Let's name this as Instagram Bot Demo. You also have the options to put labels here if you want. Then click done. Now we have a trigger keyword to start our chatbot here. Now, of course, we want to greet our customer by visiting our shop. So, text component is the one that you want to use. Here, it allows you to send text message to your subscriber. Just double click this. Then, you can input text here. And you can also address the customer by their full name, their account full name. Let's say, thank you for visiting our shop. Let's address the customer first. Hi, the name of the customer. Thank you for visiting our shop. You can also add an emoji here. There, it looks good to me. Now, click done. Alright. Now we want to show the customer the logo of our shop. Now this is our delicious food hub. Let's click next again. Then this time, let's use the card component, which we can enter an image as well as a button component under it that the customer can click to. So let's add the image here in our card component. Now here is our logo. Then the name of the logo. Let's say fresh food all the time. Now the button component. Let's say here, browse menu. Then the button type. Since we're going to create a new sequence of actions for our bot, you need to select the new postback. But if you have already created a sequence of actions for your bot, just click the postback and select the postback ID. You also have the options here to select the web URL, user birthday, user email, phone, or location. Now for this tutorial, I will just use the new postback. There. Now let's name our new actions here, our new set of actions. Let's say this is for browsing our menu. You can also choose here labels and sequence if you have one. There. Now the customer have a button to click to. So let's say we want to send our customer a message that includes all of our products. Now, if you want to do that, our carousel component is the best to use. Now, this allows you to send multiple images or products in just one single message. So, let's first connect it. Then here, in the carousel item, you can add your products. Now I will just upload our products here. Let's say this is our first product, which is a series of items or foods, but let's say this is a hot dog sandwich. Then our second product. So let's say this is our donuts and burgers. You can also put an image link here and also a subtitle if you want. Now last but not the least, our pancakes. There. Now we have 3 available products for our customer. If you want to add more, just click the element here, the items element, then drag anywhere you want. Then you can add another product. Now since this is just a tutorial, so we can save time, I will just use the 3 products here. Now, under the image of the product, the customer will have another button that they can click to. So let's customize it. This is our button component. Now let's name the button Order Now. And also select New Post Back, since this is a new action. Alright, now let's name our new post back Order Now. Let's just copy these and paste it here, the other 2 new post backs. Now, once the customer receives the list of items that we have, they will have the options to order it. Also, we have to give the customers an option to cancel their order. So if you want to add another button component to cancel the customer's order, or whatever you want to do with that another button, just click the button element again and click outside. Now here, let's say this is the cancel button. So let's say the name of the button is Not Now or cancel. Then you post back. Then let's add another text message for the cancel button. Then let's say we understand please feel free to visit us again. There. Now let's continue doing our Order Now button. Alright. Now, as I have mentioned, we will create a simple chatbot for our Instagram business account that sells products and also gather customer information. Now, of course, we want to gather specific informations from our customer for us to complete their order. For example, their delivery address, their phone number, or email address. Now, let's say we will inform our customer that we need their information. So, let's click next here. Then here, just select text, then inform the customer. Thank you for your purchase. In order for us to complete your order, please provide the following informations. Now here, let's say let's add a let's just delete this one. Let's add a quick reply. This is a message in a bubble button or in a bubble message that the customer can click also, like a button component. So here in the quick reply, let's say the button text here is proceed with details. Let's name this again. Now, for us to gather our customers' informations, our user input flow can do that for you. Now, let's just drag our user input flow here and connect our new post back. Then double click it. Now here, if you have already created a user input flow, you can just select the user input flow that you have created here. Since this is a new chatbot that we are creating, just select add new input flow. Now, you need to name the campaign. So let's say gather customers, let's say phone, email, and address. There. Now it will automatically pop up a new question, the question that we will set up. Now here, we have two options: free keyboard input and multiple choice. Now, before we start, user input flow can gather customer informations and save them to our database so you can use it in the future if you want to. Now, we have two options, as I've said: free keyboard input and multiple choice. Now here, in the free keyboard input, it lets you type your very own questions here and give your customer the liberty of typing their own answers. But here in the reply type, you need to select the correct reply type. Let's say phone number. Now, if the customer typed their answer for the phone number question as a letters, our bot will not accept that and inform the customer that the format they have entered is not correct, and the bot will ask for the correct format. That's why reply type is very important when creating your free keyboard input user input flow. Now here, in the multiple choice, you can also set your desired question, but you will pick the available answers that the customer can choose to. This is best used if you are planning to get surveys from them or get more data about your subscribers. Let's say you ask questions here. Now here in the option 1 and option 2, you can select the customer's available answers. Let's say the question is rate our shop. Now you can put here 1 star, 2 stars. You can add more answers here, 3 stars. Now do you get the idea? It is best used if you want to gather information from your subscribers as a surveys type question. Now for this tutorial, I will just use the free keyboard input since we're only gathering the customer's basic information. So let's say our first question is for our customer's phone number. So let's say please provide your phone number. Then in reply type, you should select the phone number. Here are the lists that you can select in the reply type. Text. This is best used if you want to ask for a combination of letters and numbers answers. For example, like address, the text reply type is you want to use. So you have text, email, phone, and also number, URL, file, image, video. Now for these specific questions, we are asking for the customer's phone number. Now you have the option to save the customer's answer to a custom field that you will be creating if you have one, but it's not a mandatory. Now here in the save to system field, you need to select the correct information also that you're asking. For example, phone number, so that once the customer answer the question, the customer's answers will be saved in our system field under phones of our subscribers. So it is very important to select what informations you are trying to get from your customer here in save to system field. Now here are optionals. You can send or you can select labels, assign messenger sequence, and email phone sequence here. Now here also, you can add skip button So you can give the customers an option to skip the question. So let's give the customer that. Let's name it as skip here. Then here is our first question. We're asking for the customer's phone number, and we will save it under our system field phone. Right. Now let's click done. Now that's our first question. Now if you want to ask another questions, just click the element here, the next, not the final reply, but the next. Then drag it somewhere here. Then just release it. Now you will have your second questions. So let's customize it again. So let's say here in our second question, let's ask for our customer's email address. Please provide your email address. Now here in the reply type, you need to select the email as well as the save to system field. Skip here, then done. Now last but not the least, our third question. Let's ask the customer's delivery information. So let's say, please provide your desired delivery address. Now, in the reply type, it is best used to text the text here, since the customer will basically answer you a combination of letters and numbers. So let's select the text here. Now, in the system field, we have a location there. So the customer's address will be saved in our location system field. Now let's finish this. Now there is our 3 questions for our customers. Now, once we get all of these informations, of course, we want to thank the customer for participating in our questions. So, click the final reply. It will be a new post back, a new set of action. So, let's say final reply. Now you will have the option to add a text, carousel, image, any components that you want here. It is basically the same here. So since we want to thank the customer, let's use the text component. Then let's say, thank you for your provided informations. Your order are now being processed. Expect delivery within 30 minutes. There. Now, we have gathered our customers' basic informations using our user input flow. Alright, now you have other 2 items here, but for us to save time, well, let's just finish this. That once the customer click this, let's say we're just gonna thank them. We're not gathering any information. But of course, if you want to create a chatbot for your shop in your Instagram business account, you also need to customize all of your items here. But if you want to make it more easier, you can just clone every component that you have used in this. So let's say here in text, just clone it, then just connect it there, like that. But please take note that you can only clone main components here, not the new post back. The new post back cannot be cloned. So let's just finish this like this. Like this. Alright, Now we have a working bot. Now, in order for you to use this created bot, you need to save it, of course. You can save it by clicking this button here or Control S. Now, if you have forgotten, or if you have missed a component here that have no details on it, our bot will inform you, or our flow builder. Alright, now we have a very simple chatbot for our Instagram business account. Now, let's try this. I have my phone here, currently screencasting to my computer so we can see how our bot works. So, just give me a few seconds to set it up, and I will go back to you. Alright, now here is the screen of my phone. As you can see, here is our Instagram business account, our delicious food hub. Now I will try to message this. Now if you remember, our trigger keyword is hello. So let's type hello here. Then send. Now our bot should reply. There. Now our bot said, "Hi, my name." Then thank you for visiting our shop. Now here is the logo of our shop, the Delicious Food Hub. Now we have the option to browse the item, as you can see there. Now once we click the browse item, we will receive the carousel component. These are the list of products the bot are offering, or your Instagram business account are offering. We have hot dog and sandwich, donuts and burgers, and pancakes. Now, as you can see, under the hot dog and sandwich, we have two options there. Order now and cancel, since we have set it up, if you still remember it. So let's click the order now. There. Now, our bot informed us that they need our informations, our basic information. Now we have the option there to proceed with the details. Now once we click the proceed with the details, the bot will ask for our informations. So you also have the option there, as you can see it, the skip here. So please provide your phone number. So let's say this is my phone number. Alright, now please provide your email address. Then, of course, the delivery address. There. Now this is our thank you response. Great. Now I will show you where those informations are saved in our Messengerbot app. Now let's go back to our Messengerbot app. Okay, just click back here. There, as you can see, there's our created chatbot, the Instagram bot demo. You can edit it and also delete it if you want. Now for us to go to our database where the customer's informations are saved, just look for subscriber manager here. There. Now this is the basic information of the customer or subscriber who contacted your Instagram business account. Now you need to click this action here. Now this is the basic informations. This is the save to system field. Now here's the location. the phone number, and the email address that we provided. Now, if you click the user input flow answers, you will see the questions and the answers. Alright. I hope you guys learned a lot from this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, please do not hesitate to comment it down in the comment section below. And please do subscribe in this video and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated when new videos comes out. That's all for today. Until next time, bye!